Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, March 25th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. Just a reminder that we're in a longer-term sell signal, have been for 5 weeks now, below the 425.88 rising channel bottom, excuse me, anticipating 331.25, its sister formation, which is longer-term in scope as a 2 to 3 month target. We're about a month and a half through that right now. Inside of that zone, we do have respectable support at 356.54, which is a 50% downside retracement from that April low of last year against the more recent December high. And it does line up, as you can see, with the spring 25 high area. So this is solid bottom picking territory. If you're a near-term swing trader, this is an area to cover some short position if you are short and have been, whether that's been the settlement below the 425.88 formation, or more recently, we also settled below a 3/8 longer-term Fibonacci on the daily chart that has indicated 356.54 as kind of a 1 to 2 week objective. This actually outlines really kind of the day itself. 390.12 we have as an intraday resistance level only because of this descending channel top that we would rather have you lean into more heavily on the sell side. So we could push through, 390.12. And, I don't know, do we have it on the same? Yeah, here we go. We could push through 390.12 and with a high volatility rally today, reach 400.80 on an intraday basis. And it is 400.80 where this market can top out for the week and within 2 or 3 weeks fall back to 356.54. The inverse is possible as well. We could bottom out at 356.54, and I think the most I would expect from that rally off of 356.54, were it to occur, is this descending channel top at 400.80. So that would be like a 1 to 3 week objective, a 2 to 3 week objective following a testing of 356.54. But I don't want it to sort of blur the bigger picture, which is the fact that we are still expecting 331.25 as a met objective following the settlement 5-6 weeks ago below 425.88. Speaking of 425.88, were we to close over the next, 3 to 5 days above 400.80, we would indeed expect within a week or two a return to 425.88, which is at this point in time a part of a range of resistance up to 448.85 that is narrowing gradually, that can absorb buying pressures not only through April, but even into the later second quarter. And from here, we can fall into the 331.25 and rising weekly area within, once again, 2 or 3 months. But we are already in sell signal mode. And, we have the 356.54, a nearer term objective. And, I'm going to jump to this chart. If we break today, 367.96, and that is nothing more than the low settlement price following the December high that was actually put out Friday of last week. So 367.96, this is your kind of your intraday. These are the levels you can lean on an intraday basis. I've already talked about the consequences of pushing above 390.12. Downside, if we break 367.96, we can on an intraday basis test 356.54. But, volatility is relatively constrained right now. So it's more like, closing above 390.12, expect 400.80 tomorrow, and closing below 367.96, expect 356.54 tomorrow, where once again, we can bottom out on a weekly, possibly monthly basis. And if settled below, expect 331.25 within just another week, 2 at the most, where we actually could bottom out through the second quarter and round up nicely from here into later year.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVDA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
Anything else to say? One more thing I'm going to say is that on Tuesday, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on Next Power. If you're not familiar, they're a major provider of solar tracking systems for utility scale solar power plants. We put out a stock pick. That doesn't mean you should run out and buy it. What we do with the stock pick is we provide you, a 5-minute video and show you the conditions necessary for acting on that buy signal. So please watch the video before running out to buy it, to buy Next Power, because just because we put out the stock pick doesn't mean we're recommending you buy it just yet. We need to meet the conditions. Anyway, go to wickedstocks.com and take advantage of our 14-day free trial to check that out for free. You'll also get daily NVDA analysis, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, etc., etc. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's Tesla. You have a great day.